In today's video, we're going to cover using Google Photos to clean up your videos, photographs on your iPhone. Also, we're going to cover how to recover deleted photographs on your iPhone. So if you found value in this video, please like and subscribe at the end. You've also got videos in the playlist which may find useful using Apple Photos and cleaning up photographs on the videos on the iCloud. On your iPhone, go to the search box and type in photos and you will see Google Photos. You can see my photos and videos. If you tap on all the photos that you want deleted, videos, then you can see bin at the bottom. So if you go down the bottom to bin, you can see all the recently deleted photos. Here you can see I've selected one of the photos and I've got the option to restore it. So if you found value in this video, please like and subscribe at the end. Thanks for watching.